Hi guys, welcome back to Avindam Tech, and today in this video I am going to show you how to make a combined PDF file. So guys, let's start. So first of all, you need to go into the Play Store and search for PDF converter, and then click on the image to PDF converter. You have to install it. Make sure your internet connection is off. Now you have to open your PDF app. Select the images you want to add. And then click on done. You can reorder the photos which have been uploaded here, as you can see, and then click on convert to PDF. Enter the name of your PDF file. You can also give a password here for this PDF file, and then click on convert. Done. Let's see the PDF. Yes guys, the PDF file has been done, as you can see here. Actually it's according to the resolution. Thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.